Neon fashion, tips and tricks for accessorizing with neon glasses. Neon fashion, tips and tricks for accessorizing with neon glasses. In the realm of fashion, trends come and go, but some styles manage to stand out and make a lasting impression. One such trend that has been making waves is neon fashion. From clothing to accessories, neon has found its way back into the limelight, capturing attention and adding a vibrant pop of color to wardrobes everywhere. Among the various neon accessories, neon glasses have emerged as a particularly popular and a catching choice. In this article, we will delve into the world of neon fashion and provide you with essential tips and tricks for accessorizing with neon glasses to create a bold and stylish look that turns heads. Embracing the neon trend. Neon fashion is a celebration of vivid and intense colors that effortlessly grab attention and infuse life into any outfit. Neon colors are known for their ability to electrify a look, making them perfect for those who want to make a bold fashion statement. From fluorescent pinks to vibrant yellows, neon shades can uplift even the simplest ensemble, giving it an edgy and modern twist. Neon glasses, in particular, are a fantastic way to incorporate this trend into your style. Whether you're aiming for a casual daytime look or a daring nighttime appearance, neon glasses can be the ideal accessory to tie your entire outfit together. Choosing the right neon glasses. Selecting the perfect pair of neon glasses is the first step in creating a stunning look. With a wide range of shapes and neon hues available, it's essential to choose a pair that complements your face shape, personal style, and the occasion you're dressing for. 1. Consider your face shape. Just like any other pair of glasses, it's important to choose a style that flatters your face shape. If you have a round face, opt for angular and geometric neon frames to add definition. For those with more angular features, rounded neon glasses can soften your look and create a harmonious balance. 2. Neon hue. Neon glasses come in an array of striking colors. When selecting a hue, consider your skin tone and the colors you usually wear. If you have a warm undertone, neon shades like coral and orange can complement your complexion. Cooler undertones can work well with neon blues and greens. 3. Frame size. The size of the frames can significantly impact your overall appearance. Larger frames tend to make a bold statement and can be a great choice for those aiming for a high-impact look. Smaller frames, on the other hand, offer a subtler touch of neon, making them versatile for both casual and formal occasions. 4. Occasion. Think about where you plan to wear your neon glasses. Are you heading to a music festival, a beach party, or a casual hangout? The occasion can influence the style of neon glasses you choose. Funky and unconventional shapes might be perfect for a festival, while sleek and sophisticated frames can work well for a night out. Complementing your outfit. Once you've selected the perfect pair of neon glasses, it's time to incorporate them into your outfit seamlessly. Here are some tips to help you accessorize with neon glasses. 1. Neutral palette. neon glasses are the star of the show, so consider opting for a neutral colored outfit. Black, white, gray, and beige can create a clean canvas that allows your neon glasses to take center stage. This minimalist approach ensures that your look remains balanced and doesn't become overwhelming. 2. Monochromatic ensemble. If you're feeling daring, go for a monochromatic look with a neon twist. Choose a single neon color for your glasses and incorporate subtle hints of the same shade throughout your outfit. This cohesive approach can create a striking and unified appearance. 3. Color blocking. Embrace the playful nature of neon by experimenting with color blocking. Pair your neon glasses with complementary or contrasting neon shades in your clothing or accessories. This technique can result in a dynamic and visually appealing outfit that exudes confidence. 4. Prints and patterns. Don't shy away from mixing your neon glasses with prints and patterns. Florals, stripes, and geometric designs can all work harmoniously with neon accessories. Just ensure that the prints don't overpower the vibrant allure of your glasses. 5. Accessorize thoughtfully. Neon glasses can be the focal point of your ensemble, but that doesn't mean you can't add a few well-chosen accessories. Subtle metallic jewelry, a sleek belt, or a stylish handbag can complement your neon glasses without stealing the spotlight. Striking a balance. While neon glasses can undoubtedly enhance your look, it's important to strike a balance to avoid overwhelming your outfit. Here are some additional tips to keep in mind. 1. One neon element. If you're new to neon fashion, start by incorporating just one neon element into your outfit. This could be your neon glasses paired with neutral clothing, allowing you to dip your toes into the trend without going all out. 2. Limit neon to statement pieces. Neon glasses are a statement piece on their own. To prevent a fashion overload, avoid wearing multiple neon accessories simultaneously. Stick to one or two standout pieces to maintain a harmonious and tasteful appearance. 3. Confidence is key. Rocking neon glasses requires confidence and attitude. When you feel good in what you're wearing, it shows. Walk with confidence, own your style, and let your vibrant personality shine through. The versatility of neon glasses. One of the most appealing aspects of neon glasses is their versatility.